Good morning, travelers. Welcome back to another Trending Tuesday. I'm Vidvat Keshan, Associate Editor, Travel and Tour Road, and your host for today. Today, we will dive into top picks in the industry. We go live every Tuesday at 9:30 a.m. EST to feature the most trending in the travel industry. So grab your drink and get comfortable, and let's dive into the trending topic today. And today's industry news: Canada government contributes 1.2 million to 2024 Comedy Hello Montreal Comedy Festival. Why UAE tourism industry is ranked 33rd on the Henley Passport Index Power Index despite visa-free travel access to 185 countries. Tallinn Group's financial for April-June 2024 now public, exploring the historical wonders of Alflabia Garden in Mallorca. Goodwood Park Hotel unveils its most impressive mid-autumn lineup yet. Iconic Tribeca penthouse goes to auction. Concierge Auctions presents a New York City treasure. To know more, please visit our website www.travelandtourworld.com. Today, we are getting down and dirty with some gnarly stuff. Typhoons and cyclones smashing up island paradise. Buckle up, cause this ain't no beach panic. Alright, let's break it down. These monster storms are like nature's temper tantrums, whipping up winds over 74 mph and turning paradise into a wet, wild mess. We call them typhoons in the Northwest Pacific, cyclones down in South Pacific and Indian Ocean, and hurricanes in the Atlantic. Same beast, different names. Picture this: you're living it up on some tropical island, sipping cocktails, when bam, Mother Nature decides to crash your party. Talk about a buzzkill, right? And it ain't just about ruining your tan. These storms can seriously mess things up for locals too. We are talking about places like the Philippines, Japan, and those sweet Caribbean spots. When these storms hit, its chaos. Immediate fallout: people running for their lives, planes grounded, building get their asses kicked, hotels and resorts looking like they went 10 rounds with Godzilla, and tourists thinking twice about showing up. Remember Typhoon Haiyan back in 2013? That beast tore through the Philippines like a wrecking ball, leaving 14 million people in a world of hurt and putting the tourism biz on life support. I've been chatting with some folks who've been through this stuff, and let me tell you, it's no joke. But man, these islanders, they're tough as nails. They pick up the pieces and keep on rocking, ready to show tourists a good time no matter what. So if you're thinking about hitting up one of these storms, here's how to keep your ass out of trouble. Stay woke, get insured, pack smart, and listen up. Now, here's the kicker: climate change is turning up the heat, making these storms meaner and more frequent. But these islands aren't taking it lying down. They're getting creative, like the Maldives, while building floating islands. How punk rock is that? Look, these storms are real pain, but the way these islands communities bounce back, it's freaking inspiring. As travelers, we gotta have their back. Stay smart, be ready for anything, and help them get back on their feet. That's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe and like us. And of course, share your own adventure stories with us on social media. We love hearing about your epic escapades. Until next time, stay adventurous, stay curious, and keep exploring. This is Vidvat signing off. We go live every Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. EST. I will see you in the next episode. Till then, keep chilling, thrilling, and exploring. See you on our next adventure. Bye.